for the practitioners of homeopathy, and within that 1 year that part could not be completed. So in 2019 the government had to bring another ordinance.
Right.
Sir, similarly in the case of Ayurveda also, what was happening that the government, because the government had in the 2019 brought both the national commissions for homeopathy as well as for Indian systems of medicine, and in 2020 the term of the president of the Council for Indian Systems of Medicine was expiring on 31st May, and a lot of election of other members from various states in the country had to take place. In the meantime, sir, what has happened in both the bills, that in 2019 the government brought these National Commission of Homeopathy as well as for Ayurvedic systems also, and they were passed by the Rajya Sabha in March 2020. Now both of them have been passed by the Lok Sabha also. So in both the situations there was a situation where in homeopathy also and in Ayurveda also, the government, the council had to inspect the colleges for the 2020
Right.
period, and since the commissions cannot start functioning, so this was in fact, and the parliament was also not in position in working because of COVID and all. So this was the compelling reason why the government, to ensure that the existing board of governors, they are able to carry out their duties to take care of the inspections of the
Right.
colleges of homeopathy and
Ji, thank you. Sri Adamaram Karim, Sri Binay Viswam, Sri KVC Venugopal's resolution, as well as the KK Ragesh, Adamaram Karim and Binay Viswam and KC Venugopal, both the resolutions, statute resolutions and the motions for consideration of the bill are now open for discussion. And now the members will speak and later the minister will reply. The first speaker is Sri Pipun Bora. Pipun Bora.
Rajya Sabha Gallery.
Yeah. Please remember the time and stick on to the time, as I told you
Yes,
about
sir.
the other bills also today. And today, after some time, the new panel of vice chairman, we will provide them an opportunity also. So bear with them because they are new. And of course, deputy chairman will be there. He will be guiding. But we will be starting with Srimati Vandana Chavan today. First, deputy chairman will start the discussion, and then afterwards, Vipanji.
Thank you, sir. Sir, for giving me this opportunity to take part in the discussion of the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill 2020. Sir, all we know, the original act is 1973. Now, what is the background of suppression of this council? What is the background of this amendment? The background of this amendment is this, sir. In 2016, the president of the Homeopathy Central Council allegedly complicit in taking bribe for granting permission to set up homeopathic institutions, and then, sir, the council is suppressed. Then, in order to continue the day-to-day functioning of the council, an interim board of governor was constituted. Sir, when the board of governor was constituted in 2018, it was decided that the council was required to be reconstituted within 1 year from the date of suppression. But, sir, the government has not done it. Within 1 year, the government has not constituted. Thereafter, sir, in 2019, government again brought another amendment seeking the extension of the suppression period from 1 year to 2 years, sir. That was also all right. But now again, this government has come on this 2020 for another amendment. What is this amendment? That this extension for suppression period should be extended from 2 years to 3 years. Now, sir, this is our objection. Why this objection is, sir? The question is why it